What's up, everybody? Danny here, Griswold Family Vacay, and Landon and I are spending the next 4 nights here at the Drury, Plaza, Riverwalk Hotel. Let's go inside, take a tour of the room. Alright, so we are staying at room number 1014. 10th floor, room 14. As soon as you walk in, first thing you see to the right is the bathroom. Very nice mirror, nice countertops, towel. Here is the shower. You got a rain head shower with containers of the body wash, the shampoo, and the conditioner. Looks like they use Nourish products. Very nice, full-size tub, very clean. Back here you've got your towel rack. Okay, so here is kind of a map of the property. Alright, so you exit the bathroom, turn to the left, you've got a full-size closet here. Ironing board, iron, luggage rack, some hangers for your clothes, nice storage up top. To the left of that, you've got your Cafe Valet coffee machine with different kinds of coffee. They have estate blend coffee, Cafe Valet coffee. Nice, you got a nice TV here. These are the little coupons that they give you. You see your 5:30 kickback nightly from 5:30 to 7. Basically, it's called a kickback. They basically serve you dinner. And then here on this side is where they'll mark off your 3 drinks, alcoholic beverages. Limit 3 per adult per night. Underneath is a really nice cabinet. Got a microwave, a fridge, full-size fridge, really nice. And over here you've got drawers. Really nice size drawers. Here's 3 outlets here, 2 more outlets here. There's a little sign for the teller's bar, how you can order food, room service. There's your ice machine, nice little lamp, side table, chair, really nice chair. And then here are your 2 queen size beds. This one's Lantern's bed. This one is my bed. The beds were nice. The only thing I didn't like about the beds is, unless you like really soft and flimsy pillows, the pillows really weren't that good. I'm more of a firm kind of pillow. You got your phone, nice dual lamp, alarm clock with plenty of outlets, QB blue it says. And then you've got 3 more outlets in the back. You've got a little shelf right here. Bible check. Yep, there's a Bible. And that is about it. So that's the standard 2 queen size bedroom, room 1014 here at Drury Plaza, Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. So this is the kickback bar. I told you guys you get 3 drinks, 3 free alcoholic drinks a night when you stay here at the Drury. Here are a list of the different liquors, mixers, beers, and popular drink selections and wines that are available. And then there is the bar. Come over to this side. This is where they serve the food. Several different seating areas, really cool. kickback bar, food and beverage station. I don't know. Like I said, we didn't get to eat here because we either woke up too late, or we stayed out too late. They only do it, I believe, from 5:30 to 7 for dinner, and from 7:30 to 9 for breakfast. But here's your juice stations. Here's all your servings all around. A lot of Drury hotels will have the soda thing opened, as well as the popcorn thing running all night for you. I don't know, for whatever reason this one doesn't, but if you guys are here at the right time, then it is open for you, and it makes a really good option. Looks like the soda's open, good enough. No, Lennon, stop. Oh, they got it closed off. They got it shut down, Lennon. The water's working. Alright. But yeah, so here is, and this is not just this Drury hotel, it's actually all of them. Here's a look at the lobby I showed you guys earlier from the second floor. Again, this used to be an old bank here in San Antonio, so pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're back at the hotel now, heading up to the pool. Show you guys around the pool area, and I'll also show you guys some video and some pictures of what the pool looks like at night. Super awesome. It's a rooftop pool. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, here's the pool area. Go check it out. What's up, brother?
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Sure. Alright guys, so first thing you'll notice is there's one jacuzzi tub. Hot tub, pretty nice. We got the pool pretty much to ourselves. There's another jacuzzi right there. Alright, so now we're down here in the basement of the hotel, Drury Plaza, Riverwalk. We're going to show you guys how to get from the elevator to the Riverwalk. So one thing from this hotel, to get to the Riverwalk access, all you have to do is hit B. Pro tip. Pro tip. The second floor is where the breakfast and the nightly dinner are served. Also, if you stay here, you get a coupon for 3 alcoholic beverages per night. Alright, so the elevators are right here. They're gonna take you out right here. Just remember to make it right. And then they're gonna make another right. So down here they have meeting rooms, banquet halls, all that kind of stuff. Again, I don't think I mentioned this before, but this hotel used to be, do you remember what it used to be, Lanny?
No.
It used to be a bank. Alamo National Bank is what this was called, right there. Alamo National Bank is what this building was founded as, right here. Alamo National Bank building. Alright, so you'll take this walkway, then you'll go through this little tunnel area.
And then you
Keep going straight.
take it straight.
Take it straight. Unless you're me, then you take something else. By the way, guys, we're heading to dinner on the Riverwalk. We're gonna go eat the Rainforest Cafe. They do offer free kickback dinner from 5:30 to 7 here at the hotel, including 3 alcoholic beverages per night. They also offer breakfast, which we're gonna hit up in the morning. We kind of had a late start today, so that's another really cool perk about staying at this hotel. Anyway, here's the outside of the hotel. Here's a map of the Riverwalk.
Wait, what time is the water park open?
Around 9, I guess. So here is the boat cruise thing that we did yesterday. That was really cool.
On my left side, gonna be a
All right, so we're gonna cross the street and we are going to go get our groove on, get our grub on, rather. Not groove, sorry, grub. Get our grub on. All you do when you guys leave, if you want to get to the main entertainment, the food like that and stuff, when you leave onto the Riverwalk entrance from the hotel, make a right. That's it. You just make a right.